wie geht's? This is Welsh ASMR 82. Hey, how you doing? So in today's German ASMR video, ASMR auf Deutsch, I'm continuing to learn German, and in today's video we're going to look at school subjects, die Schulfächer, and these are ones that I can't quite remember, so they're going to be quite good for me to revise. So we've got several different categories. Science, languages, my favourite, physical education, humanities, art and music, numbers and stuff. No, ICT is stuff. So science is die Naturwissenschaft. I knew it was quite a long word for science. Naturwissenschaft. So yeah, if it ends in Schaft, I think it's a feminine word. Die Physik. Die Chemie. Chemie, not Chemie. Chemie. Biology. Die Biologie. Okay, straightforward, that's good. So, languages. English. Das English. Oh, interesting, the neuter. Das Deutsch. Das Französisch. Das Spanisch. Ja, ich war Lehrer in Spanisch, Französisch und Walisisch und, how do you say Chinese? Chinese? No, I don't know how to say Chinese. Physical education, der Sport. Sport. Der Sport, masculine. Humanities, die Geschichte. History, Geschichte. Ends in an E, so feminine. Geography, die Erdkunde. Die Geografie. Erdkunde, Erde is like earth, isn't it? Religious studies, die Religion, or just Reli. And then art and music, die Kunst. Yeah, that's feminine, but it doesn't end in an E, so that's difficult to remember. Die Kunst. Die Musik, same for that. Die Musik. Although that is feminine in most languages. Spanish and French. Definitely. La musique, la musica. Die Musik. Die Kunst. I think art is also feminine in most languages, actually. And then numbers and stuff. Die Mathematik or die Mathe. I hated mathematics in school. Die Informatik. I loved ICT though. Say what to do. This is easy. It's just Ich lerne Deutsch. I study German. Ich lerne Deutsch. I think that's probably going to be the title of this video. Ich lerne Spanisch. Ich lerne Französisch. Ich lerne Naturwissenschaft. Ich lerne Geschichte. Mein Lieblingsfach. My favorite subject. Raise your German level a ton by giving opinions about your subjects. You can put Lieblings in front of pretty much anything to say it's your favorite. Farbe, Lieblingsfarbe, favorite color. Subject ist mein Lieblingsfach. Musik ist mein Lieblingsfach. Ah, okay. I have a very Latin language mind. In these sentences you can't start them like you can in English and German with a noun, you have to have a definite article. So my brain is telling me, die Musik ist mein Lieblingsfach, but in German it's just like English, you can just go music. Ich mag Geschichte. Here too you have to say the. Me gusta la historia. J'aime l'histoire. Ich mag Geschichte. Ich hasse Geschichte. I did hate history in school, it was rubbish, but now I love learning about history and watching history programs. It's funny, isn't it? I also hated sport, and now I love sport. We didn't have German in school, you could only learn French and Welsh, so I chose. Well, I did both for 3 years, and then I had to choose. And I was better at French, but I chose Welsh. But then I went back and finished French later. Ich mag Geschichte, weil sie einfach ist. I like history because it is easy. It is not. I think history and languages are the two hardest subjects you can do. Ich mag Geschichte, weil sie einfach ist. Interessant, einfach, nützlich. Ich mag Französisch, weil sie... No. S gesetzt, liebte. Remember R for der words, sie for die words, and S for das words. Das Französisch. Ich mag Französisch, weil es nützlich ist. I'm gonna write that down. Ich mag. See it with a capital F. I can't spell Französisch. Französisch. Yeah, I knew it wasn't 2 Z's. S-I-S-C-H. S-I-S-C-H. Comma. File. S. Oops. Over there. It's TZ. Nut. Nützlich ist. Did not know nützlich. That's quite a good word. Einfach, interessant. Ich hasse Geschichte, weil sie langweilig ist. I hate history because it is boring. Langweilig, schwierig, nutzlos. Nützlich, nutzlos. With no umlaut. Pointless, nutzlos. I like that. Ich hasse Geschichte, weil sie langweilig ist. Oh, langweilig ist. What do I hate? Ich hasse Mathe, weil sie schwierig ist. Schwierig. Lang und langweilig. Love this bit. Cheeky comment. It's probably best not to say you hate German. If you are German or Austrian or Swiss watching this, or from anywhere, but especially those countries, you probably started learning English at like 3 years old in school. This book may seem really simple to you, but this is for like 11, 12-year-olds, maybe even 13-year-olds, because they only start German at 12, if they do it at all. However, when I was teaching, like I said, I was teaching Spanish and French, but I was part of the decision to promote German in our school because I wish I'd had the chance to learn German. And so we were the only school that I've ever heard of. It was a big process. We had to go to like the board of governors and everything. But we said we don't want to do French when kids come into school at 11 years old. We want to do German. And so we taught German instead of French, and we were the only school to not teach French in the county. We let them choose Spanish or French or German the following year, but loads stayed with German. They loved it. I mean, for an English speaker, German is way easier than French in terms of like pronunciation and vocabulary. The school day, der Schultag. Go through these phrases and write out your own version of each one so it matches your day. Ich fahre mit dem Auto zur Schule. Okay, let me just get my head around this. So mit dem, so mit plus indirect object. So dem, it's das Auto. Das doesn't change the accusative, but the indirect. That's dem. And then zur is the same thing. So zu plus indirect. Die Schule. Zur is to the school, so zur Schule. Bus is bus. Fahrrad is bike. I have a mental block on the word for bike in like every language. I have no idea why. Ich gehe zu Fuß zur Schule. Zur Schule. Zu Fuß, by foot. On foot. Ich stehe 8 Uhr auf. I get up at 8. Die Schule fängt 9 Uhr an. School begins at 9. Much later here than in Germany. I think it starts at least 8 o'clock with you guys, doesn't it? We usually have 9 till 3:30 here. Die Schule ist 4 Uhr aus. School ends at 4. So it's out. Oh, I see, it's not a separable verb, it's just die Schule ist 4 Uhr aus. Unless you think of that as ist aus. Ends. Anfangen. To start. And then aufstehen. To get up. Jede Stunde dauert 40 Minuten. Each lesson lasts 40 minutes. The lessons in my school are an hour. Jede Stunde. Stunde. I'm guessing because it's an E, it's die Stunde. It's feminine, right? Wir haben 8 Stunden pro Tag. We have 8 lessons a day. No, we'd only have 5 lessons a day in my school. Wir haben 8 Stunden pro Tag. So the plural, Stunde, Stunden. That's okay. Und wir machen 1 Stunde Hausaufgaben pro Tag. 1 Stunde, 2 Stunden. We do 1 hour of homework every day. I don't see the point in homework. Wir machen 1 Stunde Hausaufgaben pro Tag. That's interesting. So Stunde is an hour, but it also means a lesson, because that could mean every hour lasts 40 minutes, which makes no sense. So yeah, lesson is Stunde, but also wir machen 1 Stunde Hausaufgaben pro Tag. I think I'll stop there. Oh, dankeschön. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you could drop a like on this video as well and maybe a comment. Tell me, when does school start in Germany and when does it finish? How long are lessons normally? Like an hour, 40 minutes. And how many a day do you have? Do you have 8? That seems quite a lot. And what was your favourite subject in school. I think my Lieblingsfach actually was, well, I didn't do Spanish in school, I did Welsh and French, but my favourite in school was drama, which they didn't have here. What's drama? Like acting, what's that? Schauspieler. Okay, Dankeschön, thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.